दो बच्चे स्पीच देना बाकी है, उनको बुलाना चाहूंगा। सबसे पहले मुल्ला तहरीम सैदुद्दीन फ्रॉम क्लास 10।
Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. I am Tahrim Mullah from class 10. Today I am here to talking about never give up for my seniors who are preparing for their competitive examination. If I hold mic in my hand and a greeting such an elite gathering, and if I am audible to such a big gathering, it is because of the power. Ladies and gentlemen, don't judge me wrong. I am not talking about the muscle power, and I should not talk on it. I am talking about the electricity. I am talking about the efforts Thomas Edison made to invent light bulbs. He made back-breaking efforts to achieve his goal. But do we really know the kinds of efforts during course of his mission? He failed many times. He failed hundreds of times. In fact, he failed 1,000 times. But he never lost his heart. He never disappointed. He never gave up. Every time he failed, but he simply said, I am not failed. I am just found 10,000 beyond that work. A dark night turns into a bright day. A bright day turns into a darkness. Life is all about the ups and downs, the joys and sorrows, the success and failures. Nothing stays permanently. In the process of achieving big goals, we come across the big problems, many obstacles, many hurdles, many challenges. We feel disappointed. We lost our heart. We lost our confidence, and eventually we gave up. Ladies and gentlemen, we gave up at this stage without knowing that we have just stepped away from the goal we have trying to reach. We give up at this stage without knowing that we reach in the shore of destination we bring. We give up at this stage without knowing that we have almost made it. My dear friends, all the problems, obstacles and challenges are the opportunities for us to prove our potential, our ability, our medal. Muhammad Ali was one of the greatest heavy boxers in the history of sports. He was told that in a lead way he was asked how many sit-ups he would do. He answered, I do not count my sit-ups. Elaborating to his answer, he said, I only start counting when start paining. I only start counting when start hurting. When I feel the pain, that's when I start the counting. The work you have done, the work you have done will not actually count. The extra work you have done, the extra miles you run, the extra work you do will take you to the culmination of success. There will be obstacles, but we should defy them. So do not give up, do not give up. Continue, continue. The God is ahead of you. The quote of former President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who says, difficulties in your life do not come to destroy you, but to help you realize your hidden potential and vibrant. Let the difficulties know that you too are difficult. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to speak here at this occasion moment. Thank you.
Excellent speech. Now the last speech by the 10th girl, Faiza Sultana Muhammad Farid Ali. Come over here for the speech, and then after the prize distribution ceremony will continue by all the dignitaries. So I request all the teachers that get ready for the next event.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to all. Honorable chief guest, respected principal sir, respected teachers, and my dear friends. As you all are aware that we are gathered here to celebrate a very special event, that is our farewell. I am Faiza Sultana Muhammad Farid Ali from class 10th. I am standing here to express my views based on my school. First of all, I would like to say, Ideal English Medium School हमारी पहचान है. Yes, Ideal English Medium School हमारी पहचान है. Every part of the school means knowledge and that defines our identity. Dear teachers, आप लोग कितनी मेहनत करते हो ना हमारे लिए. हमारी शैतानियों को भी झेलते हो सिर्फ हमें पढ़ाने के लिए. कभी कम मार्क्स आते हैं तो मोटिवेट भी कितना सही करते हो ना आप लोग. आपके लेक्चर के बीच किस्से सुनाना और कभी मजाक वाली कुछ अपनी बातें बताना, सच में ये सारी बातें हमें हमेशा याद रहेंगी. Our teachers are wonderful human beings because they have accepted all of us with all the weakness and have worked upon overcome for those weakness. Our teacher taught us lessons from our syllabus, but they also taught us some life lessons which make us a better human being with positive thinking, equality and kindness. Our school teachers shared number of examples of great people who failed in the beginning and later became successful person in their life. I still remember when I joined this school in standard 7. I used to be the shy and introvert person. I faced difficulties in public speaking. But today I am standing here to giving a speech on farewell. That is possible because of all the teachers. I am very thankful to my teachers that I can differentiate before me and the now me. I will never forget all the discipline which given by our dear principal sir, because discipline is the something that motivates a person to progress in their life. The education environment of the school is amazing, excellent and motivational. Our school gives knowledge not only in the aspect of studies but in the aspects of sports, skills and all the activities. This school will always have a valuable contribution in our life. Now, I want to say something for my friends and classmates. सुबह हम भी उठाते हैं आवाज लगा के स्कूल के लिए देर नहीं हो रही। उस ठंडी हवा में वैन का इंतजार करते हुए खुद से ही पूछते आज ज्यादा ही ठंड नहीं हो रही। कॉरिडोर में शोर मचाते हुए टीचर से छुप न छुपाना, किसी आधे अधूरे प्रोजेक्ट वर्क को क्लास में पूरा करना। वो सीन भी किसी मूवी से कम नहीं होता था जब क्लास में किसी की लड़ाई हो जाती थी। हम सारे फ्रेंड्स अब एक फैमिली जैसे हुआ करते थे। बेतुकी सी बातों पे बेहिसाब हंसते थे। एक एक करके गॉसिप सुनना और सुनाना, अपने बेंच को किसी और के बैग से साफ करने में कुछ अलग ही सुकून मिलता था। फ्री पीरियड पर पीटी के लिए रिक्वेस्ट करना भी फन लगता था। ये सारी स्कूल मेमोरीज अब हमें हमेशा याद रहेंगी। I have made number of memories in these 4 years, which shall always remain with me till end of my life. अल्लाह ताला हम सबको कामयाबी अता फरमाए by our good deeds, hard work and consistency. I wish all the very best to all the board examination students as well as our future, and hats off for our teachers and chief guests. Thank you for listening to me.
Thank you very much.